Hi, I'm Mel Pratt, Gallagher Territory Manager for the Hauraki in Coromandel. I'm here to share Gallagher's latest innovation in electric fencing, the S6 Lithium Solar Fence Energizer. If you ever have challenges with uninvited guests in your garden or keeping your pets in your backyard, Gallagher's S6 might be the solution you're looking for. Let's take a closer look. They've packed this one really well. So we have our S6 Solar Energizer. We also have a lead set and the user manual. The S6 is a portable solar energizer that's compact in size yet heavyweight in performance and reliability. The solar panel charges the internal lithium battery, so you never need to change the battery. Its fully water resistant case with built-in lightning protection ensures it will continue to work in all weather conditions. It's really easy to install. All you need to do is mount it to your stake and use the supplied lead set to connect to your fence. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, visit our website am.gallagher.com.